ebusuya yawa bia pai chale enye easy hey enim guasia penny they be like ato forcing they try the force but right you know the force again no so of everything wey they do no it dey flop wey afonyo to the makam they makam yes still my guy be go town wey say oh you wan buy groundnut that nkate ya bobo ibi ya omo ton yo mo di ko achin yeah omo papa ibi wey the man say they buy 5 cedis 5 cedis no asa we na man also now say they 2 cedis na mo ton my last year say you see 2 cedis last year no we dey here send 5 cedis but that man say nah Charlie what you dey talk why do dollar be 11 cedis then some coins be way things come down way Mahama then after force they talk say them reduce things no what did they talk say right you know I didn't turn to 2 cedis last year and right it be 5 cedis that one there you know they make sense so you know go agree when the woman talk come say you say what you reduce what like something to worry your head you reduce what who told you that them reduce something when my party say why don't they watch TV you know they hear say the minister for finance they talk say them reduce things where things price right they come down when the woman where they said they cannot say Charlie if you not stop the yawa then the things where they talk I go first give you when my party say oh not be say like I they come talk something will not be true it be what the finance minister they talk when me try they talk when them say the dollar come down so things reduce petrol come down then starts so automatically in the price of groundnut self right if for this one say we go if you take give me 1 cedi where the woman say Charlie if you not stop the things where they do I go beat you I say hey it rich beating now boy you know be small thing you know say I get a just give you for here right there began and same thing where my name no there you know that if you promise the blogger I tell you say me I dey everywhere where every news we tap for the bonga video anymore may go watch the woman talk for the video inside cam now we will can share on our mind about this thing where the woman talk sick of me I still don't understand the reason why the woman they talk say the dollar then the fuel and things price will come down it be lie sick of you know they affect the price of things for market things still they expensive for market me you know they make sense give me but I sure say after we go watch this video come then the things where the woman talk maybe we go feel have some conversation we go feel discuss but for now already may go watch the video come then we go try then see what we go feel talk about the video young combra
in katie we me to o say 5 cedi me say yati nyama so mama say yati bibia so me ka o say yanti o bua yati so so what in katie we 5 cedi so in katie we 2 cedi say 5 cedi o 5 cedi in katie 5 cedi
mutakunya so ma mo koye
hey
na oka
yati bibia dollar ba for
mboko so fa na ekomo
dollar ba for ma fe na nyama na ekoso mo
so na nyama na kosoro
eti yanti nyama so
yanti she me azakeke
tu ba de do mama ni edi se azan no mo ka
me azakeke
eti for say we dem mama ni twa o say azan
so guys me this thing Charlie be like John Dramani Mahama then people no then they play plus on our mind or what you they think sick of how the finance minister go fit come outside then can't tell we Ghanaians say right now we reduce the dollar from 14 cedis to 11 cedis meaning say like 3 cedis down right for the time where MPP they leave power as at the 6th of January 2025 now it be 14 cedis 74 pesos so right if it be 11 cedis then some coins I mean say they reduce them like 3 cedis where it be good it be good thing even though we all know say they pump money into the forest and they inject money into the system they are intervening we all know but make we put that one aside right now the people for the markets are saying that the dollar is not reflecting at the market because if actually the dollar is actually 11 cedis as we all know if we reflect for the market there make the market people also if they go buy if like they won't go buy something now the price of the thing will go down where they will know say okay if you true say they reduce the dollar but in this one no there you know they reflect so the matter right now only be say they are to forcing in dollar no it be fake or it be what that be what Ghanaians they ask myself that be what I want ask because what the woman they talk no it be something where like it raise a lot of questions right? The minister is saying that they have reduced the price, the dollar from the 14 to 11. Petrol price has come down and all those stuff, right? So if you can say like right now there things for they cheap, so that we all go feel, you know, afford things, what I say. But the way this thing they go there, Charlie, me I sure say this Muhammad and Atofo say them $1 thing, it be fake. Because I can't tell you say like then they inject money into the forex, right? But right now, as the way people they complain, say things still they expensive, way like them go market sell, they don't buy anything then stuffs, no. Me know me when they say like these people, then they just try play plus on a mind, because then see say a lot of Ghanaians, you know, I can kind, you know, they learn, like, you know, they like reading their stuffs. So if no be so they are, I don't know how I go feel explain this issue again. Honestly speaking, I don't know how I go feel explain this issue again. But that be what they the chopping board where everybody talk about. That be what everybody talk about. Because Friday, if you go market, people they talk say as we come enter December, things still they expensive. We like if you go market self, they sell, they do they buy and things. So like a lot of things where people they talk. A lot where people they talk. Right now the question be say, how the government won't do things where it will benefit with their citizens. It be very important. It be very, very important. Make I know what you also think about this video we all watched, and leave your comments in the comment section. Yeah, as you already know, I am Ghana in Same TV. My name is Promise the Blogger. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or X and Instagram as Promise the Blogger. You already know that. Peace, shalom, bye bye. I'll be bringing you some other news about 1 or 2 stuff that's currently happening. But for now, we're gonna end it. So the way your man, they're doing, but the way that people say, Masa, Ahana wapano, melody now your mother side, no, or the bar father side, wallahi yawa. That be the time where honorable Canadian compare with Japan can no say no. They be like these people, then draw plan give me. Then draw some plan big give me, sick of what then they do, then the way then they react to the things that they talk, you know. It will show say no, like and they seem say I'm mad or something. Other people too, you see the way then they sit for there, you see the ask they talk way, like they don't show any sign of it be like 3 people go then they make the hey, all the rest of the people they just make quite like and they watch them like jump, they say this guy if you can say he be who. Them say if you can say he be who, sick of then they see your man say like your man they see him body too much. When they take out people to them know they play who. Them know they play plus them are MP no, them are former MP no. What be his name self? Duka. Honorable Meku Duka. He be the former deputy minister for natural lands and natural resources or something. Yeah, lands and natural resources or something. He be the former deputy minister. Where is be the former MP for there? Where the outside, you know, that MP ni be Dr. We're in person. Where the delegate to the people that they vote for there, no, all be the MP in people. Where as it be them people, where they my MP there for when we are inside, you know, automatically there. They support to go the outside. So as can the Japan go there, no. Now if you know say no, the place where I come, no, it be my opponent in territory. So if you compose himself, they know how you go do in stars. But I won't go show boss for that. That's why they give him showdown. That be the main reason they give him showdown. So they just need all this. You understand? You have so for tell your man say we know they play 2025, 2026 as we they can't enter there. In John things where they do, we stop them. You know be man pass anybody. This thing